Hey there, welcome back. Friends, today we will try to understand how we can import a class in our JSP page. So let's get started. Now friends, to start with, let us use a scriptlet and let us try to print the date on the web page. Now currently, if we would like to print the date on the web page, firstly we will make use of the out object and we will call in the print method, and inside this method we will type in what? We will type in new java.util.date. Now friends, whenever we would like to access a specific method in our class, we need to provide fully qualified name. Then only we can reach that particular destination. And providing fully qualified name every time could be cumbersome. As of now, let us execute this JSP file and let us check whether everything is working properly or not. And here is the output, which is perfect. Alright, now friends, what is the solution? How we can reduce our effort and how we can import specific classes in our web page? The answer is very simple. We can make use of directive element. Now friends, in our last video we have already seen the directive element and how to include a file. Now importing and including is a little different. Let me show you. Let us again make use of directive element. And in here, in our last video, we were making use of include, but this time around we will make use of page, and then we will make use of import. Alright, now friends, what is the difference between import and include? When we include, we can include a file, whereas making use of import, we can only import type. For example, in here I can type in java.util.date. Now friends, if we include a type, then that is okay. But for example, we try to include a package, then there would be an error. Let me show you. Now, if I hover upon this error, then it will say only type can be imported. Java.util resolves to a package. Definitely, we can only import type or a user defined type, which is nothing but class. So in here, we will type in date. Alright, so once we import this particular type, then definitely we can make use of date method call easily. So the way could be, for example, by taking help of expression element. In here we can type in new date and our work should be done. Alright, let me refresh this page and here is the output. Good. Alright, so this seems to be good enough. Alright, so now let's move forward. Now friends, we can also import user defined classes in here. Let me show you. In here, let us highlight this src folder inside Java resources and we will add in a new class. The name of the package would be like org.studyeasy, and this would be a class, not a sublet. The name of the class would be user defined. Alright, and we won't be adding the main method. Let us click on finish. Alright, so now we have this class and we would be creating a very simple demo method. So it would be like public string demo, and inside this demo we will simply return a string, and the string would be text from demo method. Alright, so this seems to be good enough. Alright, so now let us move forward. In here, first of all, we would be adding a br tag, and then we will again make use of the directive element. So it would be like %@ page import, and now in here we need to give the fully qualified name for this class. So it would be like org.studyeasy, which is the name of our package, dot user defined. Here we go. And now definitely we can call in the method whose name is demo. So now we will make use of a scriptlet. Definitely you can also make use of expression element, but let me show you how we can do it with a scriptlet. So in here we will firstly type in out.print, and inside this method we will type in new user defined dot demo. Alright, so this looks good to me, and let me refresh the page and show you the output, and here is the output. Perfect. So we are able to fetch information from our demo method, and we have already imported the type. This is the reason why we are directly calling it, and without providing the fully qualified name, we are able to do the call successfully. Now friends, let us do some cosmetic changes. Now friends, in here we are making use of this directive element multiple times. So let us merge these. So in here I will copy this particular part and I will add in a comma and paste the fully qualified path for user defined class in here, and I will get rid of this. Alright, let me refresh the output and you would be able to see there is no change. There won't be any impact. And moreover, I will move this particular line of code as the first line of the web page, which is a better place. Alright, let me format things a little, and that's it. Alright, so this is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care, and I will see you soon.